Hello students, this is the third video of chapter number 7, double entry system. In my previous video we have studied about personal accounts, and in today's video we are going to study about impersonal accounts. Impersonal accounts are of two types, real account and nominal account. What is a real account? The account of all those things whose value can be measured in terms of money and which are the properties of the business are termed as real account. Means those accounts whose value can be measured in terms of money. In short, we can say that all assets are included in this. All assets are of real account. For example, cash, furniture, machine, building, all assets are included in real account. So impersonal accounts are of two types, real account and nominal account. In real account is the account in which those items are included whose value can be measured in terms of money. Means all the assets, in short, all the assets are included in real account. So what is the rule for real account? The second golden rule of accounting is of real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Means in upper portion we will write what comes in, and in lower portion we will write what goes out. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. For example, we have purchased furniture for cash. Furniture for cash means what is coming in? Furniture is coming in, it will be written in the uppermost line. And what is going out? Cash is going out, so it will be written in credit line, means the lower line. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit we have to write what is coming in, furniture is coming in, and in credit we have to write out what is going out, cash is going out. Furniture account debit to cash account. Then types of real account. The third topic is types of real account. Now there are two types of real accounts, tangible and intangible accounts. Tangible real account and intangible real account. Tangible real accounts are those accounts in which those things which can be touched and felt, measured, purchased, sold, etc. are come. Means if you have learned the types of assets, that is just the type of real account, tangible and intangible. All those assets which can be seen and touched with the open eyes, they are called tangible accounts, like cash, stock, furniture, building, machinery, computer, typewriter, etc. All the things which can be seen and touched, all the assets which can be seen and touched are called tangible real accounts. It should be noted that bank account is not a real account, but it is an artificial personal account. It was personal account, bank account was a personal account because it is an institution. Bank is an institution and institutions are all personal accounts. Then intangible assets. Intangible real account includes all intangible assets. These accounts represent such things which cannot be seen and touched. Tangible accounts are those which can be seen and touched, but intangible real accounts are those which cannot be seen and touched, but they are having their value and they are measurable in terms of money. For example, goodwill of the firm. The reputation, when we sell the when we sell our business, then we can take extra money as the goodwill. No, you know what is patent? If you have registered your creation, then it is your asset. Trademark, any mark which is registered for you, for your business. Any trademark means any mark which is registered for you, for your business, that is called your asset. You can sell it and you can purchase it. So real account is basically the account in which all the assets are recorded. The real account is an account in which all the assets are recorded. There is one rule: debit what comes in, credit what goes out. If you have purchased furniture for cash, furniture will be debited and cash will be credited, because furniture is coming in and cash is going out. And there are two type of real accounts: tangible and intangible. In tangible real account, all the tangible assets are included which can be seen and touched, and in intangible, all assets are included which cannot be seen and touched, like goodwill, patents, copyright, trademarks, then computer software, etc. So this was real account.